Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beautybyaj, and today's video is going to be a how-to video on how I made my wig. I'm using the hairareus hair that I reviewed in my last video, and I will link that video in the right hand corner. So I'm making the bleach mixture pretty thick. No particular reason why, but when I bleached the knots on my closure, I made a thick mixture so that the bleach didn't seep through onto the hair. So I'm just using that same method because that worked for me when I bleached the knots. So to dye the hair, I wanted it to be kind of like blonde brown streaks in the hair. So I just combed the hair upwards, and then the loose pieces of hair that were still at the bottom are the pieces of hair that I used the bleach mixture on. And this is my first time ever dyeing hair, but I do think that the result came out pretty nicely for me to be an amateur. I'm gonna let this sit in the foil for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out. I'm using a neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleach from bleaching, and then I'm using the Shimmer Lights shampoo to tone the hair and make it so it's not so brassy. So off camera, I used the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I just let that sit on the hair for about 30 minutes just to condition it and make it so it's not dry and brittle. And now I'm just showing you how I make my wig. This video isn't going to be too descriptive because there's so many videos out there that are like very descriptive and very helpful, but I do just want to give you guys an idea on how I dyed the hair and how I made the wig. I used 2 finger widths apart for some of the tracks, and then for the rest of the head I pretty much did one until I got to the top, and then I just packed the rest of the hair on there since I did have 4 bundles. What the stitching method that I use is called, but I did this all over the entire wig just so the tracks are pretty secure to the adjustable cap. So that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure if you want to see how I styled this wig, you stay tuned for my video next week. I will be showing how I styled this wig and customized the 5x5 closure. If you have not already done so, make sure you thumb up this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. And if you have not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video.